everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, namhlanje we are celebrating the queen kababa ke uMaSamseleko uMakhumalo Thobile Mseleko. KwaMashobane ke uhlanganisa iminyaka engu34 or engu35 guys. She's turning 35 today on the 22nd of February wazalwa ngo1989 guys. Naye upostile lapha ke inkundla zokuxhumana wathi ke age is just a glow up in progress. Happy 35th year birthday to me. And basibeqala abantu baposta ke nabo bathi cha happy birthday Thandwa. May you have many more beautiful years filled with love, peace, happiness and wealthy. Guys, despite ukuthi ke uMakhumalo ushade nobaba uMaSamseleko owaziwayo la eMzansi, uMakhumalo kodwa ke naye usezakhele ke igama lana ke ku-entertainment industry noma ku-media industry. Guys, she's known as a radio presenter, aphinde futhi abe reality TV personality and a talk show host. Guys, nje wasimbona lapha ke kwezemshado ke uMakhumalo. Abantu ke bayamthanda kakhulu uMakhumalo, bathi ke unenhliziyo enhle, kodwa abanye babuye bamthethise ke bathi uzodlala abantu mangabe ke enza kanjeyana, especially lapha ke kuthando Nesthembu. Asikaze simbone guys uMakhumalo ecasukile noma ke guys ke shout abantu, but she's always calm, you know, and may address izinto iaddressa yabo ngalendlela iaddressa ngayo. So nje leyo nto yakhe, leyo personality yakhe yenza abantu ke bamthande ke kakhulu. Umnyeni wakhe ke uMaSamseleko naye upostile ekseni ngovivi kamagayeni obunithuna lika Jesu guys. Niyamazi ba uMseleko kade ngasho ngathi nje uMseleko umpostoli uyaposta, ayikho into yokwenzeka uMseleko bayifihle bangasitsheli ba uMseleko bangasitsheli. Ekseni upostile wathi ke happy birthday to indlunkulu mzilikazi kaMashobane uMakhumalo. uNkulunkulu and our ancestors may keep you. We are blessed as a nation to have you. Enjoy your day. Don't work hard today. Ake bambongela abantu guys, bamfisela ke ilanga elimnandi. Nami ke ngihlangene nani noma ngikhulumela nani simfisela ke usuku lokuzalwa olunezibusiso. uThixo amgcina amphumelelise zonke ifiso zakhe uNkulunkulu ke amphumelelise ke kuzona. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your message to uMakhumalo, just in case ehlangana le video abone ukuthi ke bathini abantu ke abamthandayo. Bye.